In this video, we're going to focus on using the chart.js plugin called sorting, where we ascend. As you can see here, it was sorted on ascending value, descend, and of course we can reset it back to its original state like that. So let's start to look how we can sort a bar chart with the chartjs plugin sorting in chartjs 4, which is very easy to use. First of all, make sure you have a border template like this one here. You can find this here on chartjs3.com getting started. This link you can find as well in the description box. Once you're on here, you can copy this chunk of code. Next, if you want to support my channel, check out my Patreon where you can support my channel and get access to many source codes. So what we're going to do is we're going to follow the instructions here exactly of this specific link, and I'll make sure this link is as well in the description box, which is the chartjs plugin sorting, which allows us to sort in ascending and descending methods. So this is a plugin I created myself just to help out. So the first thing what we need to do is basically get here the CDN. Right now the CDN is a customized item. I just make this quickly. By copying this here, you can just grab this entire piece of code, and what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down here and make sure that this JavaScript file is being added after the chart.js library. So we save this, we refresh, nothing happens yet. However, what we have to do next is of course to activate the plugin. To activate or register the plugin, all we need to do here is following these instructions here, register the plugin. This piece of code need to be added, which is chart.register chartjs plugin sorting. So we're going to put this in here down. We can just put it just here, and then we save this. And once we do this, we refresh, and as you can see here now, we have the ascending and descending button and a reset button. So if I click on this, it will ascend, and you can see here from high to low, it will even recognize if there would be a double value. And we can do here a descending, which is Monday is the highest value, and all the way to Saturday, and you can see here different orders of it. And we can reset it back to its original state, which is correct one here. So if I refresh, you can see here this is the initial state. Let's do it again. There we are, and reset it again. I'll be making more videos about this because there are more features where you can change the colors of the buttons and do some design on this.